I forgot my key card in the room. Can I get a duplicate key, please?
Good morning, sir. Just give me a moment, I will have your key card ready. Jay, I'm making a duplicate key card for this guest. Want to learn how we do it?
Absolutely.
May I please get your name and room number?
Yes, I am in room 107 and my name is Gate Verma.
Thank you for the confirmation, sir. Allow me a moment to check the details. Mr. Wilmer, thank you for your information. Keeping our guest safety in mind, may I please request you for a photo ID?
Here is my photo ID.
Thank you, sir. Here is your key card and your photo ID. Is there anything else I may assist you with today?
Not at the moment. Thank you.
Before you hand over a duplicate key, you have to be very careful. So what did you see and learn, Jay?
Let me remember. You were very courteous. You wished the guest, however you asked the guest to show the photo identification.
Yes, you are correct. We still need to be courteous to the guest. However, we need to follow safety process.
Then you checked the system to make sure the room was registered under the same guest name. And the photo identification proved that we were handing over the key to the correct guest.
Yes. There may be times when the guest has been locked out, and does not have a photo ID with the guest.
Oh yes, it is possible. What do we do then?
In that case, I would have given you the key. Then you would escort the guest, open the door and wait there till the guest showed his correct identification.
I learned that it is very important to keep the guest key safe. Or else someone can use a duplicate key to misuse the room. Before I hand over a key, I have to make sure that the guest is a registered guest and in the same room as the key being requested. It is very important to follow the safety process. Did you learn it well? If you have any questions, you can always ask in the comment box below.
If you have still not subscribed, do hit the subscribe button. Also share the video with your friends, so that they can learn as well.
See you in the next video.